Hi boys and girls, this is lesson 30, problem set. Today you're going to be filling in the number bond and completing the number sentence. Ricky had 10 space toys. He had 7 rockets and 3 astronauts. Please fill in the number sentence and the number bond. Bianca had 4 pigs and 6 sheep on her farm. She had 10 animals altogether. Please fill out the number sentence here and the number bond. Boys and girls, you're going to be needing some crayons for this activity, so if you do not have crayons yet, please pause this video and go and get a basket of crayons. Welcome back. You're going to need a green crayon and a blue crayon. I'm going to read the problem to you now. Make sure you have your green crayon and your blue crayon ready. Danica had 5 green balloons. Her friend gave her 5 blue balloons. Draw all of her balloons in a 5-group way, and then fill in both number sentences. I'm going to read it again. Danica had 5 green balloons. Her friend gave her 5 blue balloons. Draw all of her balloons in the 5-group way. Fill in both number sentences. Be careful. Jason is playing with 10 bouncy balls. He has 8 on the table and 2 on the floor. Draw the bouncy balls in the 5-group way. Fill in both number sentences. So boys and girls, on this one you're going to have to come up with a little bit of a strategy so that you can show that he had 8 on a table and 2 on the floor. Jason is playing with 10 bouncy balls. He has 8 on the table and 2 on the floor. Draw the bouncy balls in the 5-group way. Fill in both number sentences. Again, I want to remind you to be very careful and look at the symbols before you write your number sentences.